Everyone, over here from Kenny Plays Games. I have a special announcement to make. My Piano Tales 2 videos are back for business. I know you missed my last Piano Tales 2 video, my last ever ending Piano Tales 2 series. But now my series is finally back. So without further ado, we're, we're gonna play my Piano Tales 2. I'm gonna play first um, Tales 2 songs for my Welcome Back Tales 2 series. We're going to play Jingle Bells. So I'm going to turn the mic off now. What? What? So I can play Jingle Bells for you. So, what? Hope you enjoyed this intro. Please give it a big thumbs up. It would be appreciated. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also click the bell icon to what miss any of my future uploads. And make sure you leave a like on this video and make sure you comment down below what other Piano Tales 2 videos you'd like me to see, or any other Piano Tales videos you'd like me to see. And also make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Kenny Plays Games signing off. Peace!